there, if you're beef lovers, here is the best video you need to watch. I would like to share the beef recipe in Indonesia food which called tongseng. These are the seasoning you will need: 4 red onions, 3 garlics, 1 candle nut, 1 ginger, and 1 chilies. If you're spicy lovers, you can add more chilies. And also, you will need pepper, bay leaves, lime leaves, brown sugar, and also lemongrass leaf. You will need soy sauce. There are 2 soy sauce will be needed. The first is the sweet and the second one is the salty soy sauce. And the last one is powdered broth. Okay, while waiting your beef is cooked, then blend all these spices. Heat the pan and then pour oil around 1 tablespoon. Add the blended spices on it and then stir well and wait till you smell the best smell in the kitchen. Add olives on it, bay leaves, lemongrass leaves, and also lime leaves. And then put the cut beef and keep stirring it well. Pour water around 200 milliliters and keep stirring. Put the brown sugar and pepper. Put the sweet soy sauce and keep stirring it well till it mixed. Add the powdered broth. Put the salty soy sauce and keep stirring until it mixed well. After that, wait around 5 to 10 minutes until all the water absorbs. Wow, it looks and smells good. It's ready to serve, but before it's served, taste it first. Okay, so this is tongseng, one of authentic Indonesian meats too. Typically beef and goat or lamb, but I'd rather to like beef tongseng. So, how's the recipe? Is it simple and very easy, right? Okay, let's try and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.